How to open APK files on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can open APK files on PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you must have an APK file that you want to open, and another thing that you must have is an Android emulator in your PC. So for the Android emulator, you can install BlueStacks emulator in your device. So in your search bar or open up a browser, and in the search bar type in download BlueStacks and search for it. After that, head towards the first link on your interface. And now download the BlueStacks in your device. Once the download is complete, now open up the file. Then all you have to do is set up BlueStacks in your PC. Click on install now. Then click on I agree. Now once the setup is complete, you can simply drag your APK files to this emulator. After that, you will find an option to install it, install the application, and after that you can open up the application. So in this way you can open up APK files in your PC, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.